You guys, we're living in the future. AI is changing the game for entrepreneurs. And I'm not just talking about the flashy stuff. We're talking about the nuts and bolts of your business, legal and compliance. This isn't sexy, but it's crucial. You can't scale if you're bogged down in legal headaches or, worse, facing penalties. This video is for every entrepreneur hustling out there, grinding, building their dream. We're diving deep into the top AI tools that will streamline your legal and compliance processes, saving you time, money, and a whole lot of stress. We're talking about real solutions for real entrepreneurs. Let's get down to business, crush it, and win. First up, let's talk about contracts. You know, those stacks of papers that make your eyes glaze over? We've all been there. But here's the thing. Contracts are the backbone of your business. You're signing deals with vendors, employees, partners. It's how you operate. But reading through all that legal jargon, trying to catch every little detail, man, that's a time suck. And time is your most valuable asset. That's where Kira Systems comes in. This AI-powered tool is a game changer for contract analysis. Imagine this. You upload a contract and Kira Systems dives in, scanning, analyzing, and extracting all the crucial information in seconds. It's like having a team of lawyers working for you 24/7, except it's way cheaper and faster. Kira Systems identifies key clauses, highlights potential risks, you know, those sneaky little details that can come back to bite you, and gives you a clear, concise summary of the entire contract. No more spending hours deciphering legalese. You get the insights you need to make informed decisions, fast. Look, I'm all about hustle, but I'm also about working smarter, not harder. Kira Systems lets you do just that. It's like having an extra set of eyes, making sure you don't miss a thing. And that, my friends, is invaluable. All right, entrepreneurs, let's talk about another pain point. Contract review. Now, you might be thinking, Gary, you just talked about contract analysis. What's the difference? I'm here for you, always providing value. Here's the deal. Analysis is about understanding the contract, while review is about making sure it aligns with your business goals and stays legally sound. Think of it like this. You wouldn't launch a product without testing it first, right? Same goes for contracts. You need to ensure they're airtight before you sign on the dotted line. That's where LawGeex steps in. This AI-powered tool is like having a legal eagle on your team, scrutinizing every word of your contracts. LawGeex scans your contracts, compares them against legal standards, industry best practices, the whole 9 yards. It flags any potential issues, inconsistencies, or clauses that could put your business at risk. This is huge, folks. You're not a lawyer, you're an entrepreneur. You're focused on building your empire, not navigating legal loopholes. LawGeex lets you do just that. It gives you the peace of mind, knowing that your contracts are solid, protecting your interests, and keeping you on the right side of the law. No more sleepless nights worrying about legal pitfalls. LawGeex has got your back. Let's be real, guys. Dealing with regulations is about as exciting as watching paint dry. It's a necessary evil, but man, it can be a headache. The rules are constantly changing, and keeping up feels like a full-time job. Who has time for that when you're busy building your empire? You're an entrepreneur, not a compliance officer. But here's the thing. Ignorance is not a defense. You can't just bury your head in the sand and hope for the best. You need to stay compliant, or you risk facing fines, lawsuits, the kind of stuff that can derail your business faster than you can say, entrepreneur. Enter Compliance.ai, your secret weapon in the fight against regulatory nightmares. This AI-powered tool is like having a crystal ball that predicts future compliance changes. It tracks new laws and regulations relevant to your industry and business, so you're always one step ahead. Think of it like this. Compliance.ai is your personal compliance assistant, constantly monitoring the legal landscape and sending you real-time updates. Whether it's tax compliance, employee laws, or industry-specific regulations, you'll have the information you need to stay on the right side of the law. No more scrambling at the last minute, trying to decipher complex regulations. Compliance.ai empowers you to focus on what you do best, building your business. Okay, let's talk about legal documents. Contracts, agreements, NDAs, you name it. You've probably got a stack of them sitting on your desk. And let's be honest, they're not exactly the most exciting things to deal with. Now, you might be thinking, Gary, I'm a small business owner. I can't afford a whole legal team. And you know what? You're right. But here's the thing, you don't need a whole team. You just need Luminance. This AI-powered tool is like having a team of legal experts at your fingertips. It scans your documents, identifies errors, inconsistencies, and potential risks, all with incredible speed and accuracy. It's like having an army of eagle-eyed lawyers reviewing your paperwork, except it's way faster and more cost-effective. But here's the kicker. Luminance doesn't just find errors, it learns from them. Every document you process makes it smarter, improving its ability to identify patterns and potential issues relevant to your business. It's like having a legal team that gets better over time without the need for expensive training or onboarding. All right, entrepreneurs, let's talk about legal research. Now, I'm not a lawyer, but I've been around the block a few times, and I know that legal research can be a real pain. It's time-consuming, it's confusing, and it often feels like you need a law degree just to understand what you're looking at. But here's the thing, as an entrepreneur, you need access to accurate legal information. You're making decisions every day that could have legal implications, and you can't afford to rely on outdated information or, worse, guesswork. That's where Ross Intelligence comes in. This AI-powered tool is like having a legal encyclopedia at your fingertips. You ask it a question, any question, and it scours through mountains of legal data to find the answer, providing you with relevant case law, statutes, regulations, you name it. Think of it like this. Ross Intelligence is your personal legal research assistant, available 24/7 to answer your questions and provide you with the information you need to make informed decisions. No more spending hours sifting through dense legal texts or paying exorbitant fees to outside counsel. Ross Intelligence empowers you to take control of your legal research and make smart, informed decisions for your business. Let's be real, guys. Litigation is a nightmare. It's expensive, it's time-consuming, and it can be incredibly stressful. But sometimes, it's unavoidable. Whether you're facing a patent infringement lawsuit, a contract dispute, or any other legal challenge, you need to be prepared. And let's be honest, traditional litigation is a bit of a crapshoot. You're relying on lawyers to make predictions based on their experience and gut feelings, but there's no guarantee of success. That's where Lex Machina comes in. This AI-powered tool is changing the game by bringing data and analytics to the world of litigation. Think of it like this. Lex Machina is like Moneyball for lawyers. It analyzes data from past cases, judges' rulings, case outcomes, even the arguments used by lawyers, to predict how similar cases might play out in the future. It's like having a crystal ball that shows you the likely outcome of your litigation, allowing you to make more informed decisions about your legal strategy. This is huge, guys. With Lex Machina, you can go into litigation with your eyes wide open, understanding the risks, the potential rewards, and the likelihood of success. You can make strategic decisions based on data, not just gut feelings, giving you a significant advantage in the courtroom. There you have it, entrepreneurs. The top AI tools that will transform the way you handle legal and compliance issues. We talked about contract analysis, contract review, regulatory compliance, legal document processing, legal research, and even litigation prediction. These are not just futuristic gadgets, they're powerful tools that can save you time, money, and a whole lot of headaches. But here's the thing. AI is not about replacing lawyers or legal professionals. It's about empowering them to work smarter and more efficiently. It's about giving you, the entrepreneur, the tools you need to make informed decisions and focus on what you do best, building your business. So, what are you waiting for? Embrace the power of AI and take your business to the next level. And don't forget to subscribe to Bhavignya Life for more insights, strategies, and tools to help you succeed in the ever-evolving world of business.